So, I mean, obviously, the more that we come to understand how this main platform works, which is Facebook, then there's the opportunity for creativity to take place. And look, really, the transition of Charlie Chatbot from where it started years ago to where it is now is no different from the way that the websites, when websites were being built, their functionality when we first started out with websites 20 years ago to where it is now is just off the roof. So I guess, team, the key here is actually just understanding that Charlie can be used as in a number of different strategies inside your current marketing. So, you know, these are just examples of just how, you know, Charlie can be, I guess, utilized or deployed. And this is by no means, you know, it's only a fit for a particular industry purpose. This is primarily a tool which, when you stop and actually resonate in on your actual marketing strategy, this is where you can look at Charlie and go, well, can Charlie actually help me go to that next level? Can it actually streamline my approach rather than the way that I'm currently looking at it right now?